यहाँ पे we'll try to recreate this using Laravel forms. ठीक है, Laravel forms, and we also need to work on form validation. ठीक है, तो पहले हम आते हैं इसका HTML builder. Let's go back to the introduction page. Okay. So here only you can see that in this code generate this thing. Okay, button, sorry, in button input, input type submit, sorry, value, save. Okay. Right now it's redirecting to the same page because it doesn't have any action, method and action. So method we will write post, and action we will use again our named route method. We'll create public function save, right? And over here we can use a request object, dollar input equals to request dollar input, sorry, input method. This will give me, this will allow me to check the value which are getting sent from the form. ठीक है, any doubts so far? Now we need to create a URL for that. So save, save, save using this name. You have to define the URL. Now if we submit, it's not allowed. Okay, sorry, we have defined it, get over here, we have to allow post. Now page expired. Why? The CSRF token is not there. Okay, so we have to generate token, and for generating token we have to write, what is the code? @CSRF underscore token. Only CSRF. Okay, so let us go back, reload it. Now if we save, done. So we needed to generate the CS, and what this does, this creates a in a hidden field with the CSRF token, which prevents cross-site request forgery. ठीक है, this is the token. Any doubt so far? Now let us create the same form using this. So for opening a form we can use this, and for closing a form we can use this. So we have post, sorry, form method post, and the URL is, instead of this we can put our and for the timing let us just comment on this. ठीक है, sorry. So, and if I go here, I can see a form, right? Form which go with the admin blog URL. hmm? Admin blog URL है तो admin blog URL, and with automatically they have created the CSR. ठीक है. Another thing is that we can go and create fields like this: email, text box. Okay, so let us go and create input type text, type is title, placeholder, block title, and it will generate a. Another good thing about this is that we can use our custom um, अपना we can use our custom HTML. Say for example, for generating a label, we can use their code, or we can use our own code. We will use text box and all the form fields, because this will allow us for form validation and form model binding. For model binding, we will automatically populate the fields into the form, and validation will show the error automatically below this form without doing anything, very easily. ठीक है. So we will use this for form validation and form model binding. Hmm. So let us go to the documentation. Like say for example, we can have checkbox, email, button, all this stuff. Like so for button we can use this, or we can use our own button code. That won't be an issue. ठीक है. And we have generated. How can we put a class? This means let us add our style which we created, right? You have to put this style. So let us try to do that. Let's see what happens. Yeah, done. So using this we can recreate the same form. So we have title, short description, and description, and we have to keep the column name same. Okay, and then description. ठीक है. Short description, description. ठीक है. And we can just copy the. We will not do it for button, because if we are doing for model binding. ठीक है. Now instead of going and writing this code in each of the elements, we can just, instead of this form, we can do form model, HTML model. ठीक है. So we can define HTML model. What was our model? Means the variable which contains all the value was $. right? uh, Internal service special characters. Just hold on a second. Instead of this, we will use a model form, and over here we will use dollar blog. ठीक है, ये हो जाएगा डेटा का दिया। अभी तो ये लग रहा होगा कि हाँ, so why we are doing this for these 3 fields. Suppose you have a form with 100 fields. In that case also just writing this line, and with a single array you can put values to all the fields, complex big forms, ठीक है, and let it be text text field or text area, ठीक है. Even in text area you don't have to like play with the well, because what is the syntax of text area? hmm? जाकर सर्च करना है. टेक्स्ट एरिया में भी ये वैल्यू पुट कर देता है. सेलेक्ट बॉक्स है तो select box will be automatically, the option will be automatically selected. In radio your button options will be automatically checked, unchecked. In checkbox same thing will happen, ठीक है. So this form model binding is very helpful in that case, ठीक है. ये हो गया. So we can use save. Up now if I go back to blogs and if I click on add, I'll get an again error, ठीक है, because dollar blog is not defined. So again we had this code. We can obviously put this line. Sorry, and if, ठीक है. If it's set, then only we'll use model form, otherwise we will use our normal form, ठीक है, and this will work for us. If we set a non-nullity, then model form, where are we using dollar? Okay, we have to, even if the codes are inside HTML commenting, this will get executed because this is a PHP code, and this is a server-side code which will be rendered in the server, and it will come back to us in the browser.
I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.